My favorite thing about the small business community in this town are the owners. Is every single small business that you walk into, you see the owner there putting in the work themselves. Like you go into Main Street Books, Fred is the one that's ringing you up. You go into Clatter, Dante's, Princess, any of those places, and the owner is the one that is ringing you up or making your coffee or anything. You go to Funky Repurps and Diana's there selling, not just, she doesn't just own the business, she made every single thing in that store with her own two hands. And the way that the owners put the work in themselves, because they truly care about what they are providing to the community. It's not for their personal benefit, it's making sure that their businesses are giving as much as they can to make this community what it is.
I think Frostburg is what people imagine when they think about a small town and when they think about being at home and coming home to a small town. It really does have that feel to it.
Donnie was born and raised here in Frostburg, and I moved to Frostburg about 14 or 15 years ago. And it's nice to have a locally owned business. This is the top of the business right here. You can always find an owner, and that's important to us to give people service that we would give to our family or our friends, because that truly is who we do business with here in Frostburg.
The more you get to know everyone, the more you see how much everyone else is involved. When the person making your coffee is also organizing Pirates Ahoy or whatever it is, it makes you go, oh, well, I could do that too. Just because I didn't grow up here, I'm not originally from here, I can still participate and give back to the community just as much as anybody else.
If you would have asked me 10 years ago I was going to own a business, I would think you're absolutely crazy. It would never happen. It was never anything you really aspired to. But I guess my favorite part is just being able to control what's in here and make sure that everything is healthy and sourced properly and sustainably sourced and that kind of thing. That gives me some sort of pride that I own this, that everything is actually good in here. I don't sell stuff just to make money. I sell stuff to help your pets be healthy and happy, and that's satisfying.
One of the biggest things is to continue to first of all feed our community. We have such a great community base. We have artists, we have people that strive to build up our community, and one of the best ways to do that is many of the local shops that we have here. We have everything from organic food to a beautiful women's boutique to an amazing bookstore to fresh made donuts. So it's kind of our own little community right here located on Main Street. And if you're going to be spending the money, why not help out that business owner that has put time, sweat, and a lot of equity into building up and to make this a store that you feel welcome to come into.
When you walk in the door, it's not like this giant, big entity that has a corporate identity. When you walk into a store, the store reflects, the Main Street kind of stores reflect the history and the personality of the people that created them. So that's a very unique and precious commodity in this world. And as things get bigger and bigger and less personal, I kind of have the feeling, especially over the last few years, that this small town experience really is precious to people and really needs to be protected.